Hey, what's up? We got a fun one this week. My grandmother just received her stimulus money, and she decided that she wants a new desktop computer. For a senior citizen, my grandmother is fairly well adept in terms of computing, but her knowledge of hardware and what is required to just perform day-to-day operations isn't necessarily accurate. She decided that she wanted a good, powerful computer. So like a good grandson, I priced her out a $500 Ryzen 5 powered computer that should do the job for pretty much everyone. But that wasn't enough. She wanted more. She wanted something that would stand the test of time. So I went back to the drawing board and put together an $850 computer that the average game streamer would be just happy running. And we're gonna build that for her right here today. Let's get to work. Now, I know what you're thinking, and I agree. This is too much computer for an 80-year-old woman. It's got a Ryzen 5 1600AF, which is a 6-core, 12-thread model. It has a 512 gig M.2 SSD. It's got a GeForce GTX 1650 OC Gaming Edition. It's got an EVGA 500 watt 80 plus white power supply, because she's not going to be drawing a lot of power. And it's got 16 gigs of 2666 DDR4 Viper memory. She wanted the last computer that she will ever need to buy. And in that sense, I was honored to be able to build that for her. It's going to be running Windows 10. It's going to be plenty enough for Facebook, for surfing Wikipedia, for watching YouTube videos, and for word processing. That's all she does, and she's used a Toshiba Windows 7 era laptop for that same purpose for the last 10 years. But she wanted a powerful computer, she wanted one that she would never have to worry about upgrading or buying another one down the road, and she wanted a big monitor. And off screen we've got that 27-inch 1080p monitor that is bigger than she could possibly imagine. Grandma will be able to do some live streaming if she wants. Grandma will be able to do some gaming if she wants. Grandma will be able to sleep easy at night knowing that amongst all her friends, I guarantee she has the most up-to-date, the most powerful, and the most built with love handcrafted PC that she could possibly imagine. God, that looks nice. So, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing out. Jesus Christ, do you know English? My computer is currently built into the exact same Walmart compact case I bought in September 2003 on clearance when I was going off to my freshman year of college.